Aloha everyone, my name is Kikai Richards. Today I'll be showing you some tool capabilities for the iBook Author program for Mac users. I'm going to be showing you how to use the book viewer, also how to insert chapters, sections, and pages into your iBook. And once you're done with everything, you have to create your preview or like a proof so you can see how it's actually going to look like in your iBook program. And how to make it more interactive by learning how to insert a widget today. I'm going to be going over the two widgets, gallery and a media one. And lastly, when you're all done, you have to learn how to publish your book. So we're going to go through that process. For instance, the book outline viewer right here. You can see your book from beginning to end, from the cover to the last page of your book. For instance, for example, right here, I'm creating an Ancient Hawaiian Class System interactive social studies book for 4th graders. And what I like about it is like you can insert different interactive aspects such as like a movie or an image if you want to download it to really engage your readers. Now that you understand how to use the book viewer, I'm going to show you how to insert a chapter, a section, or a page. I already have my first chapter in. I inserted it using the plus sign button, which is so super easy on your toolbox. As you can see, you can insert another chapter. It has a layout for you already. If you have a section within that chapter, there's different layouts for you to choose from. But I need to insert a page, so I need to make sure that I highlight the section 1. I don't want to insert a page between chapter 1 and section 1. It's going to look off. But I need to insert another page, so I'm going to do that. And there's different layouts. Since I already have a 1-column sideboard already right here, I'm going to insert a 2-column one. That way I can continue on with my text. Now that I inserted a second page in my section for Na'ali'i, I want to show you how to insert a widget. A widget is an interactive aspect for the iBooks to make it more engaging for students or just any other reader. So I'm going to insert a gallery so that the students are able to see different visuals of an ali'i. So I'm going to insert right there in the first column. What I like about it is you can just drag and drop a visual right here, or you could just look it up like I'm going to do right here. So say I have this ali'i chief. I'm going to insert it. What I like about it is like, oh, if it's a little off your picture, all you have to do is edit the mask, and then you can click on it and drag it down to center it or however you want to. And then it won't, whatever is not highlighted is not going to be shown. And once you're done moving it where you want to, you just click on edit mask and it'll do it for you. Now what I like about it is you can put in a caption. So say, might say this is an ali'i warrior. So this widget is like a gallery of visuals for the Na'ali'i. So that you can see it, I'm going to add another one, which I have at the ready. So that way you can see it. That way, as you can see, it goes. You can use the arrows to go back and forth with the gallery, and you can add on to any other ones. And the dots will show you how many visuals there are there. It's quick and simple and easy. I'm going to show you one more widget. It's for our interactive vocabulary. I'm going to show you how to do a media one. So you just click on it and you can place it however you want. I'm going to use it for my vocabulary section. That way readers are able to hear the correct pronunciation for each word. So what I'm going to do is I already have my audio clip ready. So all you have to do is drag and drop it right there. And you can actually hear it. Quick and simple and easy. Now, to shrink it down, I'm going to make it shrink it down, take away all this text. I don't need it. And I'm just going to place it down there. You can shrink it, or you can drag it into the box. That way people will know, and kind of align it a bit. As so. That way you can see it, and then I'll probably move these down. That way the readers don't get confused with it. And that's it, just simple and easy. I still need to clean it up a bit. I am going to get rid of the lines because I really don't like it. Or if you don't want the button, you can use a scrubber bar like so, or even an image. Once you're done with your completing your whole book, you can actually preview it in the actual iBook store. So all you have to do is click on this lovely button, preview, and press OK, and it will actually prepare the preview for you. And it will pop out what it will look like from the table of contents, as you can see as it popped up. Or if it doesn't automatically pop up for you, you can actually go to your iBooks app, which I have right here, and you can actually click on it and it will show you what the cover will look like. It's kind of cool. I love it. And so as you can see how it'll actually look, and you can use your arrow buttons and everything. Once you have already saw your preview of your iBook, you can start to publish it, which all you need to do is click on this simple button right here on the toolbar. And it will take you through this process to publish your book to the iBook store, as so. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 easy steps to do it in. So all you have to do is make sure you have everything ready, make sure that your Apple ID is connected to the iTunes Connect account. If not, it's not going to work until you have finally connected it to it. As I already have done it, so all you have to do is type in your lovely Apple ID, and no, you guys will not see my password because it's top secret. And as you're waiting for it to connect, it will show you, hey, if this is a new book, here's your first submission. If you're trying to update a previous version of it, then you will click on the other button and press continue. And then it will create a sample book for you. And finally, the last step is to export it. But I'm not going to export mine because it's not quite ready yet. At the end of the day, would I use iBook Author? Absolutely. It's an awesome free tool that anyone can use. It's not only simple, but you can use it for a variety of activities or projects. For instance, as an educator, I foresee myself utilizing iBook Author for my students. For instance, I could create textbooks that are interactive and they can also view it at home through their iPad or tablets. I could also have the students create their own work, especially in writing, having them create their own personal narrative, expository, opinion, or informational writing to really engage them. And next, I could also use it for differentiating text for reading groups, so I can create different texts and embed different activities and questions and have them be able to view different videos from the internet to really help them to build their comprehension and fluency, and it's all at their own reading level. And lastly, this is a great tool to really integrate technology into any school curriculum. I hope you gained a lot of knowledge from this video. I know I did. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Aloha.